Hi friends, welcome to my Annapurni Food Express. Today we have brought another summer special recipe called pumpkin stick curry or pumpkin stick vegetables. It is a very tasty recipe, also it is good for your health. If you want to see this video in Bengali and Hindi, please go to the link in the description below. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's go. For making this tasty recipe, first I take pumpkin stick, I chopped it and washed it properly. After that I take potato, I boiled it properly. Then I take elephant yam, I boiled it also. After that I take homemade pills, you can take the market pills also. Then I take one bay leaves and one dry chili. After that I take homemade special garam masala, I give the link in the description. Then I take parsley, ginger, green chili and white cumin paste. After that I take black cumin, then I take salt and turmeric powder. First I take a hot frying pan and give some oil to it. After that I give the potatoes, then I give salt and turmeric powder to it. After that I fry it for 2 to 3 minutes till it become brown. I fried the potato very well. Now I will put it down on a plate. After put it down, I will give the elephant yam on same oil and same frying pan. Now I give the elephant yam. After that I give some salt and turmeric powder to this. Now I fried it till it become brown. Our elephant yam fried properly. Now I will put it down on a plate. After put it down, I will give the pills. I give some oil to it. After that I give the pills. I give some salt to it. I don't give any turmeric powder now. Now I will fry it till it become brown in medium flame. Our pills fried properly. Now I will put it down on a plate. Now I take another frying pan and give some oil to it. After that I give the bay leaves and dry chili to it. Now I will fry it till it become brown. You can see our chili and bay leaves fried properly. Now I will give the black cumin to this. After that I will give the pumpkin stick. Now I will give some salt to this. Now I mixed the salt with the pumpkin stick properly. After mixing it properly, I will give some water to this. After that, I boiled it in medium flame for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will see it is boiled or not. I will open the lid. After that, you can see our pumpkin stick boiled properly. But as it is a pumpkin stick, it is little hardy. So I will boil it again for more 2 minutes. After another 2 minutes, we will open the lid. You can see it is fully boiled. I will show you. You can see it is fully boiled. Now as the water is dry, so I give some water to this. You can give the water as per your necessary how much juicy you want to eat. Now I will give the salt and turmeric powder to this. Now I will boil this water and turmeric powder little more. After boiling it little more, I will give the parsley, green chili, ginger and white cumin paste to this. Then I will mix it properly. After that I will give the fried pills, elephant yam and potato to this. I will smash little potato with my hand when I give it to this. As you smash the potato, the gravy will be little thicky. After smash the potato with my hand, I will give it. Now I will mix it properly with the vegetables and boil it little more to mix the vegetables with the potato and elephant yam. After boiling it little more, you can see the water dries and the curry become little thicky. Now I will give the homemade special garam masala to this. Now I will mix it properly with the vegetable curry and then I will put it down on a plate. So friends, our today's summer special recipe pumpkin stick curry or pumpkin stick vegetable is ready. You can see it looks very nice and tasty. Also, it is a very healthy recipe and you can see the juiciness of this recipe. So please try it at home and comment me how tasty it is. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.